Welcome to Starway MFG Group. This is Billy, and I'm the owner and also the CEO of this company. Please allow me to make a brief introduction of our company, and let's go through our company brochure. And hopefully, this introduction would help our clients to better understand our company. In our company, we've been focusing on one-stop solutions that starts from the technical support to the rapid prototype and also the batch production. In Starway, we have the comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, including sheet metal fabrication, welding, CNC machining, plastic injection, and assembly. And in our workshop, we've been focusing on developing our manufacturing lines with automatic and smart system. The automatic manufacturing production lines and also the intelligent MES system, ERP system. We started our company back in 2012, and our workshop facility takes 16,000 square meters with 150 employees. We've been served with the global clients, over 500 global clients, and we have many certificates for different industries and our industries as well. In our company, I've always been to say that we're not just a manufacturer, but we are an engineering partner focusing on solving really production challenges efficiently, reliably, and at scale. So we're not just a manufacturer, but we are working with our clients as the partner to develop the products, put them in production at cost effective and high efficiency. And our mission is custom solutions with timely delivery, reliable quality, and full support. Our vision is precision engineered, intelligence empowered, and trust built with our clients. And our value is precision, integrity, reliability, and innovation. Starway MFG Group, the key thing for us is one center, two bases. Because we have the headquarter operation center in Shanghai. This operation center is served as the central hub of the group, guiding strategic growth and innovation. In our Starway MFG Group consists of one company plus two factories. So Starway Shanghai is the headquarter operation center, and then we have two factories as two manufacturing bases. So this is what we call the model, what we call as one center plus two bases. Starway Shanghai is the headquarter operation center. So we have all the technical, we have all the marketing, the sales, the technical, the quality control, and the production supervision, finance, and everything. So that's the brain of the group. And we have Starway Nantong, that's a workshop that we've been focusing on rapid prototype, high mix products, precision production, small batch production. So that's what we call the soft manufacturing base. And then we have Starway Jinnazhen, that's a large factory and very intelligent and automated production lines. So that's what we call the intelligent manufacturing base. We've been working with many clients all around the world. Basically, it's the US, the Australian, and Europe countries. And we've been working with many different industries, like the vehicle, the aerospace, the green energy, the machinery, etc. So as long as the customer's design is suitable for our manufacturing capabilities, we're good with that. This is our headquarters called Starway Shanghai. So we have all the core teams in this headquarters, including the marketing, the sales, the technical, the quality, the finance, human resources, and also the production supervision team. Our responsibility for this headquarters is to run the group level strategy and also the planning of the whole group, and also the customer coordination, the customer maintenance, as well as the customer development. And also, the technical team in this group is supervising all the production technologies for both factories, and also the quality management as well as the production management in this group, in this Starway Shanghai also. The reason is that because in order to serve our customer much better and much closely, all the teams has to be in the same hub. So any news or any information could be exchanged or shared inside this team very easily. This is our soft manufacturing base called Starway Nantong. This factory is, we have the sheet metal, CNC machining, the plastic injection in this company, as well as assembly also. But the role of this workshop is basically to do the rapid prototype, because we really understand that the rapid prototype for the customers is pretty critical, because from the design to the verification, we need to make it quick. We need to solve the problem very flexibly. So we need a special shop to make that happen. Besides that, this workshop is also focusing on the small batch production and the very precision parts, and also the orders with high mix products, so like 20 or even 50 types of products, but the quantity of each product is very small. This workshop is pretty super for that, because the production line is pretty flexible. Yeah, so the key function of this workshop is quick prototyping, soft manufacturing, small batch production. And this is established in another workshop, which is almost 12,000 square meters. So this is a large factory, and the role of this factory is basically for the big batch production. So after we verify the design and the customer is ready to launch the production, this factory is a very good fit for the production, because we have the automated production lines, and also we have the very intelligent manufacturing systems. So that enables us to make the production very flat, very efficiently and cost effectively. So this is how the workshop looks like. We have many automated robots, and we have the system to guide the production very fluently, very smoothly. So yeah, the key function of this workshop is automated manufacturing, mass production system, and large capacity. Now let me introduce a little bit about our core advantages. The core advantages is not just what we are having right now, but also we are always on the way to make it better. Because for us, it's the manufacturing services. So we are not actually providing any specific products, but we are providing our manufacturing services. So the services is always the things that we are trying to improve and to make the cooperation with the customers much better. So the first thing is, the first core advantages is the professional consulting team, because we really understand that for each specific product for a customer, to understand the products, to understand the design and the function of the products, only the sales team is not enough. So our engineer team is always involved in this project. When we discuss with the customers, we always have the engineer team to get along with and to support and assist the sales team, to support our customers. So the professional consulting team is that we have the sales team and also the engineer team always mix very closely to push the projects smoothly. So I believe that the global customers, they really need to make sure that the whole team, not just the sales, but also the whole team in Starway, fully understand the projects, fully understand the critical key, features, the critical things of the products, to make sure that during production there is no misunderstanding or no mistakes. So this is why we need to both the two teams, the sales team and also the engineer team, much close. So this is the first thing, what we call the professional consulting team. The second thing is the very fast and flexible project development. This is really what I myself really focus on to make it much better, because I really understand for a project development, easy one or comprehensive one, we need to really focus on the project development to make it quick, and during the prototyping process, if any problems, we can solve them very flexibly, very quickly. So we have the exclusive team to make the prototypes. We have the engineer to supervise the whole prototyping process, and just any problems or any questions, we can solve them very quickly. So our regular timeline for a regular project development is normally 1 to 2 weeks. And if any comprehensive, really big project and comprehensive one, doesn't really matter, because we have the team to work really closely, not just the engineer, but also the sales, and also the prototyping team in the workshop to work very closely, and also the clients. So our goal is to really make the prototype very easy and very quick for our customers. So that's the second advantages that we've been always working hard to make that happen. The third thing is the production system, for all the clients to make the batch production reliable, quality, consistent, lead time is very key for our long-term partnership. So in Starway, we have the system, the MES system, and also the ERP system to control all these order productions. So we have the system to supervise each order, each specific product of that order. What is the process? What is the manufacturing stage for each product? So we have the system to track the whole process, starting the very first manufacturing step to the final, to the shipping and delivery. So all the system tracking information is always updated and connected to the sales team, to the production supervision team, and this production status is always updated to the customers during the production. So the customer is really open and understand exactly where the order is going and what is the status of the order. So we are very transparent to share our customers about the orders, so there is no worries, no surprise, or no mistakes. The other thing is about the easy shipping, because we understand that for some of the customers, they don't really understand much about the shipping, about the logistics, because it's a little bit complicated about the documents, about the terms, about the shipping for orders. So in some way, we can do all the different terms, starting from the export, FOB, DDPs, CF, etc. So as long as you have your own forwarder, that's fine, that's good. You can use that. But if you don't have it and you don't have any experience in that logistic things, that's fine. We can handle the whole process for you. We can just deliver the products to your door, and we can prepare everything, and we will charge what we prepared to you. And also the other thing is we have our logistic system to track the shipping status, so we can regularly update to you what is the logistic status, well, when shipment will arrive to the port, and when your products will be delivered to your factory. So that's what we call the easy shipping, to make everything easy for our customers.